the transformative impact of AI on UX, 10 key insights. AI has revolutionized the field of UX design, bringing about significant changes and advancements. We will explore the 10 key impacts of AI on UX and how it has transformed the way we design and create digital experiences. Personalized user experiences. AI algorithms analyze user data and behavior to deliver personalized experiences tailored to individual preferences. This level of personalization enhances user satisfaction and engagement. Intelligent chatbots. AI-powered chatbots provide instant and efficient customer support, answering queries and guiding users through various processes. These chatbots use natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to user inquiries accurately. Predictive Analytics. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of user data to predict user behavior, preferences, and needs. This enables designers to anticipate user actions and design interfaces that align with user expectations. Voice User Interfaces VUI. AI-powered voice assistants like Siri and Alexa have transformed the way users interact with digital interfaces. VUIs enable hands-free and natural language interactions, making digital experiences more accessible and intuitive. Automated design processes. AI tools automate repetitive design tasks, such as generating layout options, color schemes, and typography choices. This frees up designers' time, allowing them to focus on more creative and strategic aspects of the design process. Enhanced user research. AI algorithms can analyze large datasets and extract valuable insights about user behavior and preferences. This helps designers make data-driven decisions and create user-centric designs. Improved accessibility. AI technologies, such as image recognition and natural language processing, have improved accessibility for users with disabilities. These technologies enable screen readers, voice commands, and other assistive features, making digital experiences more inclusive. Smart content recommendations. AI algorithms analyze user preferences and behavior to provide personalized content recommendations. This enhances user engagement and helps users discover relevant information and products. Real-time data analysis. AI-powered analytics tools process and analyze real-time user data, providing designers with valuable insights into user behavior and interaction patterns. This enables designers to make informed design decisions and iterate quickly. Ethical considerations. AI in UX design raises ethical concerns, such as privacy, bias, and transparency. Designers must ensure that AI systems are designed and implemented responsibly, considering the impact on user trust and well-being. In conclusion, AI has revolutionized UX design by enabling personalized experiences, intelligent chatbots, predictive analytics, voice user interfaces, automated design processes, enhanced user research, improved accessibility, smart content recommendations, real-time data analysis, and ethical considerations. Embracing AI in UX design empowers designers to create more engaging, intuitive, and user-centric digital experiences.